Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Charlie Puth here with a song called I Don't Think That I Like Her. But I think I like this song. It's a great song, so challenge here could be all the chords, but we will go over them and see how to handle them in a pretty neat way. So let's start this one up. No need for any cape on this one. So let's start with the chords here. We have first the B. So that's a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you have the rest here, 4th on D, 4th on B, sorry, G, and 4th on B. So there you have that one. And the next chord will be a D sharp. And we will play it high up here with a bar on the 6th fret. That will be the easiest way in this scenario. So you put the bar here in the same way as you put the bar on the 2nd fret here for B. You go up down here to the 6th fret and bar everything from the A string and down, and the rest will be 8 here on D string, 8 on G, and 8 on B. So you basically go with the same grip just down the road here to the 6th fret. That's the D sharp. Okay, we will move on here with the G sharp. That's a bar now on all strings on the 4th fret, and the rest will be 6 on A and 6 on the D string. That's the G sharp minor. Then we have the F sharp minor. So you take the same grip and go 2 frets up here to the 2nd fret with your bar now. And the grip will be the same, so that means a bar on all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. All right. Now, next chord will be E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Then we have the next chord, which is the E minor. You just lift off this 1st G. Everything else is the same, so that gives us the open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, and then we have the F sharp. And that will be a bar here on the 2nd fret on all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Okay, and now we have the F sharp 7 as well. It's pretty similar to all the other F sharps. So you keep your bar here on the 2nd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 3rd on G. So what you do there compared to the plain F is just to take and lift off this 4th D. That's the only difference from this grip to this grip. F sharp 7. Yeah. All right, we still have a couple of chords left, so like I said, the challenge here will be all the different chords we need to use, and that will be the last one, I believe. Yeah, that's the C sharp minor 7. So that's a bar on the 4th fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings from bottom up, and the rest will be 6 here on D string and 5th on B string. So there, I think we have it. All right, so now let's start this one up. We have this melody that goes on in the intro and in the verse as well. So yeah, it starts here with B, like that. So you hold the chord as it is, and then you're gonna play 2nd on A, 4th on B, 4th on G, and 4th on D. And that's it. The next grip will be based on the D sharp, but we will not go up here to the 6th fret where we play the chord, which we're gonna play later with strumming. Then we're gonna go up here. Now it's just a grip here, which is based upon the D sharp, but we'll have instead down here at this level here on the first fret B string, sorry, A string. And you will play the third G and second B together. Like that, and that's it. So first fret A string, and then third G together with second B. All right, then we have the G sharp minor. This part sounds like this. So you can hold the chord as it is, and then you're gonna play fourth on E, fourth on B, fourth on G, and sixth on D. And then we're gonna go to the next chord, which is the F sharp minor based grip here. And that will be this part. All right, so you're gonna play first there the second fret E string together with fourth fret D and second G. And then you just play again the fourth fret D together with second fret G. And that's it for the F sharp minor. So, like that. Then we will move on to the E based chord or melody here. It will sound like this. Okay, so you just hold the first fret G string. That's enough for this melody. And then you're gonna play open E in the bass, then open E top string, then second B, sorry, open B, and first G. So open E, open E, open B, and first G. Then we will move on to the E minor based melody here, and that sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna pick the open E in the bass together with open G. And then you end with open E top string. Then we're gonna go back to the B chord. And there you're gonna play in the same way as you started the first grip here. So we don't have to repeat that. And then you're gonna end with the F sharp chords there in the end. It will be like that. Okay. And so actually I forgot this chord. I forgot to mention it. It's the F sharp sus chord, and it's like this: second fret bar there on all strings, and the rest will be fourth on A, fourth on D, and fourth on G. Okay, so that's the full chord. And this melody is based upon this one. So you just pick the second fret E string here, and together with fourth fret D and fourth fret G. So one time like that, and then you quickly change to the F sharp chord and pick the second fret E string together with fourth fret D and third fret G now. So that's the ending of the melody. All right, so many numbers here and letters. I'm gonna take you through this melody very slowly so you understand what we're doing here, and for you to understand the context where all the notes are played so you hear the melody. So I'm gonna start here with the B and we're gonna go forward. So let's go. That's one round, and with some standard tempo sounds something like this. Yeah, so there you have the melody, and that's a big huge part of this song. So you're gonna start with this intro for one round, and then you're gonna play the first verse. you continue with this melody for another 2 rounds. That takes us to the pre-chorus in the lyrics, "For me the stars are aligning." So there you're gonna start with 1 down of the following chords: C sharp minor 7, and then the G sharp minor, and then the F sharp, and you end with F sharp 7, but you're gonna play 7 fast downs plus a pause. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, pause. And that's it for the pre-chorus. So again. Like that, all right. And that takes us to the chorus. The pause builds up for the chorus. Now we're gonna work with the strumming, all right? So the chord progression here, we're gonna start, actually we can start with the basic strumming here for this one. So it will be down, down, clap, okay? That will be the bass for this. So with the first chord, which is the B, it will be like this. Okay, so bass, bass, clap. More on bass strings. You can incorporate all strings here, but stay more on the bass string. So down, down, clap, down, down, clap, like that. All right. So you're gonna play down, down, clap for B. Then you go up to the D sharp chord. Now you're gonna go up to this on the 6th fret. And then you're gonna play the G sharp down, down, clap, minor, G sharp minor. And then you're gonna play on the F sharp minor 2 downs. So down, like this. So we can stop there. It's about half into this chorus. So again, B, D sharp, G sharp minor, and then F, F. All right. And then we're gonna go to the E, down, down, clap, the E minor, down, down, clap, the B, down, down, clap, and then we have this final chords left, the F sharp sus, 1 down, and the F sharp 1 down. And that is 1 round. All right, so to go through 1 round, it will sound like this: B, D sharp, G sharp, F, F, E, E minor, B, F, F. That means the sus and the original F. And F, what I mean by that is, of course, the sharp version there. So that is 1 round. It sounds like this without me speaking, because you don't want to hear me that much. So there you have it. And from now on, guys, everything else is pretty much repetition. The second verse will play in the same way as the first verse. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus, and the second chorus played in the same way. After that comes instrumental part. It's 1 round of the chorus play, so nothing new there. And it follows then by a bridge. In the lyrics, I'm trying not to be bitter. And so on. You're gonna play in the same way as you play 1 pre-chorus, so nothing changes from the pre-chorus play. Just play 1 round of that in the bridge, and that will take you to the next pre-chorus part. It will be the 3rd in order, and that will be played in the same way. And the same goes with the final parts, the chorus and the outro parts. I just want to mention, everything goes up here to frets, you can say, and that will completely change the chords, and you will have to incorporate many new chords just to have this ending in a higher position when it comes to singing and playing. I think it's not worth it to go over all the new chords and how to handle them and so on. So I will just teach you how to play the basic song here with the original position here for the chorus play. So just stick with the play you did in the first choruses. You're gonna go for 2 rounds, it's twice as long, and that will pretty much end the song from Charlie Puth, I Don't Think That I Like Her. So I hope this helped. Great song, so give it a try, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please thumb up, show me some love. Until next time, guys, play tuned.